Mentors, in this video, we're going to cover the general meeting logistics for the meeting setup and what you'll find at your tables when you arrive. So before you arrive at the meeting, a group of outreach assistants will have set up tables and chairs. They will put out all the handouts and snacks for you and for the students. When you arrive at your table, after you sign in at 1:50, you'll find whiteboards, a folder with materials just for you, maybe handouts for the students, name tags, and a pouch with pencils and dry erase markers and dry erasers and so forth. When you arrive at 1:50, you'll check in at the tables outside of NS2 1201 in the courtyard, and you'll find your table assignment. You'll either go to NS2 1201 or NS2 2201. You will typically go to the same table and have the same group of children to mentor. When you arrive at your table, you will go through your folder and you will find the surveys for the day, surveys for the mentor, surveys for the students, a green copy of your booklet, and so forth. This will be covered in the next video. You'll also find a laminated copy of the Behavior Expectations Matrix. This will be what you use to help the students understand what their expected behavior is, and then if you need to revisit behavior expectations, you'll have it there at the center of your table. Of course, we expect the students to meet expectations, and when they do, you can offer encouragement. For example, you might say, "Hey, I noticed that you talked to your table mate to solve that. Way to follow expectations and figure it out." If students choose not to follow the expectations, again, you can revisit the Behavior Expectations Matrix and let them know what they're expected to be doing. At the beginning of each meeting, the students will be given a career presentation. The presentation usually lasts no longer than 10 minutes, and it introduces the students to STEM careers. The expectations for the students during this time is that they listen quietly and that they're respectful to the presenter, and if they're asked to do an activity, that they work on the activity that the presenter shares rather than working on the booklets or surveys.